So evaluate negative 3 squared. So negative 3 squared is same as negative 3 times negative 3, which becomes positive 9. Negative negative makes a positive, and 3 times 3 is 9. And as you can see, guys, the power is even. Remember how an even power always makes the outcome positive. So whatever the base is, even if it's negative like what we have here, an even power will make the outcome positive. That's why we have positive 9 here. Now this is the one I was talking about, guys. We don't have brackets. It looks like the same question, but it's not because of the brackets. This is negative 3, the whole thing squared. This is only 3 squared, so the negative stays there. So it's negative and 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9, so we can say it's negative 3 times 3. So this bit here is this bit. You can kind of think of it like that. So the negative stays, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the negative is staying in this case, even though it's an even power, because we don't square the negative here because we don't have brackets. Okay, this time it's negative 1 to the power of 200. Now we have the base of a negative number. The base is negative, which is negative 1. Now the power, it's 200, it's quite large, but nothing you have to worry about. 200 is an even number, so it's an even power. So it's going to be negative 1 to the power of an even power becomes positive. So you can think of it as just being same as 1 to the power of 200. It's the same thing because the power is even. So it's just 1. 1 to the power of anything is 1, isn't it? So this one just becomes positive 1. This time's the same base, negative 1, but the power this time is 201, which is an odd number this time. So 1 to the power of anything is 1, but this time it's negative. So a negative number raised to an odd power becomes negative. So it's just negative 1. Makes sense, guys? So you should be able to do negative 1 to the power of 2001. It should still be negative 1 because the power is odd. Now this time, beware because there's no brackets here. So this time, it's only 1 to the power of 200 and the negative is still out the front. So it's going to be negative 1. Again, there's no brackets. So the negative is it's like negative out the front and then 1 to the power of 201. And this number here, what's 1 to the power of an odd number? 1 to the power of anything is 1. So the answer is just negative 1. Okay guys, makes sense? So the key thing here is for you to concentrate on whether the power is even or odd. An even power makes the answer positive, always. Whereas an odd power can make it negative. So make sure you keep an eye on these key aspects, whether it's even or odd, and also be aware of where the brackets are.